So we got 3.
So hold on to the table.
Good. All right, let's check this, Tozy. 1, 2, 3. You have some stuck piggies. Okay. All right, let's stretch these. Good. Okay. How's those hands feel?